Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. Your user base grew this quarter, but by how much exactly or by how fast is that growth happening on a month by month basis? Without a clear growth rate, you cannot tell if your acquisition efforts are actually working or just keeping pace. So, this calculator gives you that number in seconds. This is the user growth rate calculator by Upgrowth. It measures how much your user base has grown over any time period and breaks it down into a monthly growth rate so you can track momentum consistently. So just three simple inputs. So the first is previous users is the total user count at the start of that period. I've entered 8,000 there, and new users is the total user count at the end of the period, that is around 12,000, and time period is number of months between the two data points. I've entered 3 there. Now let's sit on calculate. So here the user growth rate is 50%. Your user base grew by half over those 3 months, and your monthly growth rate is 16.67%. That is the average rate at which users are growing each month across that period. So two numbers that tell you clearly whether your acquisition is accelerating, steady, or slowing down. A raw user count tells you where you are, a growth rate tells you how fast you are moving and whether that speed is increasing or decreasing. For any product, app, or platform, monthly user growth rate is one of the first thing investors and leadership look at. It also helps you evaluate whether a specific campaign or product change actually moved the needle. So if growth was at 8% per month before a referral program and 16% after, you have a clear signal that the program is working. So track this every month and build a growth curve you can act on. The link is in the description. And if you want help accelerating your user growth with a structured acquisition strategy, Upgrowth is right below. Get in touch with us. We can help you out. Thank you.